care.
Time for some Monday birthdays in the 4 states, and we're going to start in Columbus with Faith DePratt celebrating birthday number 3. Faith, happy birthday.
Azariah Span celebrating a birthday in Pittsburgh. Hope you have a wonderful day, Azariah.
And we've got Samuel Shorter in celebrating birthday number 10. It says, "We love you more than all the green M&Ms in the world." Happy birthday, Samuel.
I like that. Walter Stipp turns 10 years old as well, getting ready to gear up for baseball season in Frontenac.
And Wyatt Buck over in Carthage celebrating birthday number 11. Happy birthday, Wyatt.
And Dylan Inch, as I understand, just got accepted into pharmacy school. That's pretty cool. Dylan is 20 years old this year in Frontenac.
And Anthony Mosley celebrating birthday number 22 in Joplin. Happy birthday, Anthony.
All right, Hunter McPherson, pictured here with his son Jackson in Frontenac. Happy birthday, Hunter.
And we've also got Patricia Bennett celebrating birthday number 36. Happy birthday, Patricia.
Katie Carlskent turning 44 years old this year. Katie is in Pittsburgh.
And Jeremiah Davis celebrating birthday number 48 in Pittsburgh, pictured here with Little Chili. Happy birthday, Jeremiah.
Happy birthday, Jeremiah. And Ronald Sachs turning 69 years old this year. Good picture there of Ronald in Joplin.
And our list goes on with Mike Wommeldorf celebrating birthday number 76 in Parsons.
Pete and Rayma Crawford are celebrating their 47th anniversary this year. They're in Joplin.
All right, what a great list. And of course, we love celebrating with you as much as you love celebrating with us. Tanya, what do they need to do to make sure we celebrate on time?
All they have to do is send us their birthday pics to this email, birthdays with an S at KOAMnewsnow.com. Make sure you send them in 3 p.m. Monday through Thursday. That's the deadline to get them in for the next day. But if you want them in on Monday, you got to send them by 1 on Friday.
All right, easy to do. And something else that's really easy to do is being part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you need to do is go over to our website, KOAMnewsnow.com. You sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club, and once you do that, you get some great deals from local businesses. Additionally, you get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for that birthday club today.